Hi everyone, here's Abdul. Welcome to my channel and I hope everyone is doing alright. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys. As usual, another vintage watch, another vintage buy from eBay with my booker. So let's start. I love this knife. It's one of my favorite knives, this booker grip lock. And the mechanism is really unique. I don't see them every day, so oop, might have damaged my table, but that's okay. I'm getting a new watch, so everything is all right. So here we go. Guy gave us a well, let's say that's well packed. And what we have here, an Alpina. Wow, looks really nice. Movement sounds good. Getting the crown out to adjust the time would be a little bit hard, I guess. Ah, it's actually working. It's a little bit heavy on the wind and heavy on the adjusting, but better heavy than loose, I always say. And that's about it. Perfect. So with this flex, so as you can see, it's a 33.5 and it looks beautiful. It's a very nice watch, very nice condition. The strap don't like so much, but as I said, I will put it on a leather strap definitely. So I'll get back to you guys with another picture for it with the leather strap. And I'm back with this velour strap. Looks really beautiful on the strap. The watch just glistens in the light. Beautiful watch. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great one. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any question, if you have any requests. If you just want to have a discourse about watches, just leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great one.